So friends, what is trading, investing and intraday? We are going to see in this particular video. So trading means you want to buy and sell shares and make profits within a short period of time. Say 1 day, 1 week, 1 month or even 2 to 3 months also. And trading involves a lot of risk because it is very difficult to predict how the stock market will go in the short period of time. Okay, and there are also high chances of making profits as well as losses. So it is a 50-50% scenario wherein either you can make loss or equally you can make profits also, and it is very risky. Technically, if you see as per the Income Tax Act, if you buy and sell the shares within 1 year, it is known as trading. And if you buy and sell the shares after a period of 1 year, it is known as investing. Now let us go to the investing. Investing means long term, that is value investing. You buy shares to hold them for more than 1 year, which can even be 3 years, 5 years, 7 years or even 10 years also. In investing, you keep buying shares continuously over a period of time and have them in your portfolio for 2 years, 5 years, 7, 8 years like that. And because of holding shares for a longer period of time, it helps you to beat the price fluctuations which happen in the market in a short period of time. And investing is obviously very less riskier than trading. Okay, and if you invest in good companies for a long period of time, underline the word, if you invest in good companies for a long period of time, then you can actually make good profits in the share market. Now let us come to the intraday. Intraday is like, very short single, getting a single just by hitting the ball near the wicket keeper. So in intraday, you buy and sell the shares within the same day. You buy in the morning and you sell off in the afternoon. And it is very highly risky, and the chances of making loss are also very high. So if you don't want to take risk in the stock market and want to play a safe game, then you should ideally do investing. You can do trading and intraday also in the stock market, but you should ensure that it is a very small portion. You don't do much of intraday and trading and more of investing if you want to avoid the risk of the losses in the stock market and if you want to make good profits over a long period of time. So I hope now you understand what is meant by trading, investing and intraday and what are the risks which are associated with each of these 3 activities. Thank you.